Hello guys, today we'll see methods of preparation of alcohols. So first method is from alkenes. Uh, alkenes from alkenes we can prepare alcohol by three types. First is by acid catalyzed hydration, second is by hydroboration oxidation reaction, and third is by oxymercuration demercuration reaction. So let's see the first one, acid catalyzed hydration. Hydration is addition of water, and here water splits into H plus and OH minus. OH minus is nucleophile here, so it will attack on carbon having less number of hydrogen. So it will attack on the second carbon, that is this one, and so this rule we know, it is known as Markovnikov's rule. Nucleophile attacks to the carbon having less number of hydrogen, and H goes to other carbon. So secondary alcohol is produced by hydration of propene, will get propane 2-ol. The next reaction is by hydroboration oxidation. So in hydroboration oxidation, anti-Markovnikov rule is obeyed. So again propene is taken with diborane. Three molecules of propene react with diborane to form this intermediate, and this intermediate then treated with hydrogen peroxide H2O2 to form primary alcohol. So here anti-Markovnikov rule is obeyed, and we can see that peroxide is having anti-Markovnikov rule only, and in this case boric acid is the byproduct. Then next, in from preparation of alcohol from alkene is by oxymercuration demercuration reaction. So again propene is taken, and mercurizing agent is taken, mercury diacetyl mercury CH3COO twice Hg. In the presence of solvent tetrahydrofuran and water, it gives this intermediate CH3CHOH CH2Hg OCO CH3. And then by reducing that with sodium borohydrate, okay, we'll write sodium borohydrate here, NaBH4. It gets, that intermediate gets converted into propane 2-ol. So alkene gets converted into alcohol. This is again a type of Markovnikov rule. First we have to mercurize it, so that is oxymercuration, and then we will demercurize it using sodium borohydrate here. So therefore this reaction is known as oxymercuration demercuration reaction. So these are all methods for preparation of alcohols by alkenes. First was by acid catalyzed hydration, second is by hydroboration oxidation, and third is by oxymercuration demercuration. Then next is by from carbonyl compounds. So carbonyl compounds are the one which possess C double bond O. So compounds having C double bond O are known as carbonyl compounds, and there are three methods from which we can prepare alcohol by carbonyl compound. Let's see the first one. So out of the three, first one is by reduction of aldehydes and ketones. So aldehydes and ketones are reduced using a strong, or we can reduce it by a mild reducing agent also, but strong reducing agent give good yield. So common reducing agent used are lithium aluminum hydride, that is LiLH4, or we can use sodium borohydrate NaBH4 also. Apart from it, we can we can add hydrogen to it in the presence of nickel or platinum catalyst. So aldehyde generally gets converted into primary alcohol, and when ketone reacts with hydrogen, it gets converted into secondary alcohol. So see, ethanol is given here. or we can say acetaldehyde. In the presence of two hydrogens, lithium aluminum hydride is strong reducing agent. NaBH4 is little mild reducing agent, but both reduce this aldehyde into primary alcohol, that is ethanol. So ethanol is converted into ethanol by using lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride. Similar reagent we can use for ketones also. Okay, or we can use hydrogen gas in the presence of nickel or platinum catalyst. So this is the ketone, dimethyl ketone, or we can say propane 2-one. When reacts with hydrogen gas in the presence of nickel or platinum, gets converted into secondary alcohol, that is propane 2-ol. We can use these reagents also. Lithium aluminum hydride again converts that ketone into alcohol only, secondary alcohol, propane 2-ol only. So this was the first preparation of alcohol from carbonyl compounds, aldehydes and ketones. Then second method of preparation is by using Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent is RMgX CS3MgBr is the Grignard reagent here. So CS3MgBr is the Grignard reagent. CS3 is negative and MgBr is positive, because magnesium is metal and carbon is non-metal, so magnesium is positive and therefore it makes Br also, that whole thing is positive. So in CS3 MgBr is positive and CS3 is negative. And in aldehyde, first formaldehyde is taken. So this is the formaldehyde. So what will happen? Oxygen takes the MgBr and the CS3 minus attack on carbon plus. So there is partial positive charge on carbon and oxygen is having partial negative charge. So oxygen gets attached to MgBr and CS3 minus gets attached to carbonyl carbon. So that intermediate is formed in the first step, and when hydronium ion is added to it, it gets converted into primary alcohol. Okay, so we'll write that intermediate first. So CS3 MgBr plus H C double bond OH, and then intermediate H C OMgBr, then H, and here we'll write CS3. So this is the intermediate formed, and when this intermediate is treated with hydronium ion, it gets converted into primary alcohol. Just change this by H. So CCH3 H are same, and here there will be OH. Okay, and magnesium makes two bonds, so byproduct is Mg, Br is attached to it, and OH comes from water, so Mg is attached to Br and OH, so that is the byproduct of this reaction. So this is the mechanism of the reaction. When Grignard reagent is treated with formaldehyde, or we can say methanol, it gets converted into primary alcohol. Here this one gets converted into ethanol, and MgBrOH is the byproducts. Solvent used is dry ether, and that intermediate is formed in that step, and when it is treated with hydronium ion, that is any acid we can take in water, so that intermediate gets converted into alcohol. When we use any other aldehyde instead of formaldehyde, so here ethanol is used. So when ethanol reacts with Grignard reagent, it will give secondary alcohol. Mechanism is almost similar, attack is also similar, but here aldehyde is different. instead of methanol ethanol is used, or acetaldehyde we can say, and that converts that produces secondary alcohol as the product. Okay, and similar reaction when we treat Grignard reagent, that is CS3 MgBr with ketone, that is dimethyl acetone, or we can say propanetone. In the presence of dry ether and hydronium ion, it gets converted into tertiary alcohol. Mechanism is similar for this also. So you can remember like that, when methyl magnesium bromide, or we can say when Grignard reagent treated with formaldehyde, it gets converted into primary alcohol. When Grignard reagent is treated with any other aldehyde, it gets converted into secondary alcohol. And when Grignard reagent is treated with ketone, it gets converted into tertiary alcohol. And byproducts are the same, that is MgBr OH. So that's all for preparation of alcohol from Grignard reagents. Next is third from carbonyl compound. So first we saw in carbonyl compound by reduction of aldehydes and ketone, then second from Grignard reagents, and now third one by reduction of carboxylic acids and esters. So for reducing them, strong reducing agent is required. So lithium aluminum hydride is used here. Acetic acid treated with lithium aluminum hydride gets converted into ethanol. Okay, why? Because lithium aluminum hydride is very strong reducing agent. It gives hydrogen to carboxylic acid. Here ethanoic acid, or a common name of this is acetic acid, IUPAC is ethanoic acid. So ethanoic acid is treated with lithium aluminum hydride to give ethanol. Similarly, ester, methyl acetate treated with lithium aluminum hydride to give ethanol and methanol. So we'll get two alcohols when treated with strong reducing agent. We can use here hydrogen in the presence of palladium catalyst also as the catalyst. So this was the third one, reduction of carboxylic acid and esters using lithium aluminum hydride into alcohol. And the third one now, so first we saw from alkenes, then second one from carbonyl compounds, and third by the hydrolysis of haloalkenes. Hydrolysis is addition of water, or we can say addition of base here, KOH. So Br is the good leaving group, it goes out, and at the place of bromine, OH comes in. So this is a type of substitution reaction, and this is known as hydrolysis of haloalkanes. So X goes out and OH comes in. Why? Because Br is a good leaving group, so it goes out easily, nothing to add. Just by addition of KOH, alcohol is formed. Here ethanol is formed from bromoethane. So this was the third type. That's all. So these are the preparations of alcohol. Thanks for watching the video.